All right, how we doing? So I thought I'd do this video on a river that I saw in China when I woke up, and I saw a YouTube video. And you know, it talks about this in the book of Revelations, where water will become red and it will not be suitable to drink. And this is really happening, okay? In a city called Wenzou, China. It's basically on the east coast of China, central east coast, between Beijing, which is up north, and Shanghai, which is down south. All right, so in a 3,000 mile span, it'll be like 1,500 miles in between both cities, okay? And it's fairly close to Taiwan, maybe, I don't know, 100, 200 miles, something like that. But in that city, and if I didn't say it before, the Ouijang River, okay? That is another city called Ouijang, okay? For a certain span of that river is red. And it just results from the news reports pollution. I guess from a food coloring plant, okay? And other chemicals in that water. All right, now it's to a point to where the river has spanned for miles, is red, and the river may be poisoned. Okay, they have a couple of other places like that. They have a red river in America, in another place where I saw on a tourist site one day on the internet. And what that results from is like one of the rivers turned pink because of the minerals in the water, okay, from the minerals from the rocks and so forth makes the river turn pink, okay? So it could be a combination of forces of nature, the elements, but this is where in Revelations, the book of Revelations, when they talk about pollution wasn't even talked about, okay, at the end times and so forth, but where it would lead to, pollution would lead to, and that's a situation like this. And there are going to be other places where this is going to happen, where the water, okay, for a while it's not going to be suitable to drink, okay. You'll see this in other red rivers or tainted rivers in other areas. You will see it. You will probably see it by the end of this decade, okay. So it's one of the things I believe that the Most High is reaching his hand out, okay, to the forces of nature, because, you know, his earth has been, you know, has been abused, it's been polluted, neglected, okay, it's not being taken care of. The caretakers of the earth did not do its proper job. Now, don't get me wrong, okay, that you have some people who are still trying to save things, but, all right.